Good morning, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. We're just going to be talking. I got to change my glasses. Look at, I'm wearing the glary ones. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. See? Better? They're less glary. They have the non-reflective coating. Today is just going to be a talking head video because I just finished filling my pantry and my freezer for winter. So I had to literally bring home these big slabs of meat and cut them up into little packages. I've run out of time, basically, to do a project today. But it feels good. So I do this every winter. It's something that I even did when I lived in the cities, closer to the cities. I didn't live in the city. I lived closer to the city, in the burbs. We've always had an upright freezer. In the suburbs, I didn't have a pantry. Now, when we built this house and we were going to be out in the country, I'm like, I want a big pantry. I want a giant pantry. And then I have a backup pantry. So I have a upright freezer in the garage. I have a 5-foot by 5-foot pantry space in the kitchen. And then I have the basement pantry reserves. And I've always done this before every winter. I get all the stock up because it's Minnesota. And it's quite frequently that we'll have, now it had been a few years. Last year we were back to normal. But it had been a few years before we had, since we'd had really severe snow. But we'd had, severe cold, which I don't want to go out in that either. But in our area, so if we get 16 inches of snow, our road is one of the last ones to get plowed out. I have 4-wheel drive on the one vehicle, and Jeff's got his truck. So if it's an emergency, we could get out. But if I don't have to. Y'all, I don't want to. So I always stock the pantry, the backup pantry, and the freezer and the upstairs freezer. And when I tell you, I could not get one more thing in my freezer. Do not bring me any frozen food. It's not going in. I got no place for it. I filled the freezer. And I brought home a 10-pound thing of ground beef. Today was the last thing I could get in there, but we had no ground beef. And I'm telling you guys, it's the weirdest thing because I always feel peaceful afterwards. I've been packing up food and I ran out of time because I was like, I got to do a project tonight. I've been offline and I need to come back and talk to you guys. And I was like, I got to get this done though. But he feels so peaceful, you guys. I'm like, bring on the snow, you guys. I'm ready. And this morning was the first frost here. Everything was covered. I had to scrape the windows and I went, it's coming. It's coming, but I'm ready. I'm so ready. And it feels good. That first blizzard comes, I'm making chili. I'm going to have fresh baked bread. I get excited when we're snowed in. The house is going to be warm and it's going to smell good and it's going to be all comfort food. So that's what I've been doing over the last, I would say, last 5 months. I've been watching every sale and been gotta get it in, and really stockpiling food for winter. She's storing nuts for winter, as my husband would say. But anyway, I feel good. I feel peaceful now. I can relax and work on projects, on my project for this week, which is not getting done today. Because, y'all, I'm tired. A long day. A very long day. The long day. But anyway, I have a project for this week. It's this. Remember? I picked this up. So I picked this up at Badwill and it was $10.99, but I think there was a, no, I don't get it. I didn't get a discount on this one. That was at Salvation Army. I had to think about it for a second. I want to make this, because it's got the Christmas tree on it, I want to make it more Christmassy. And to do that, I want to put a different Christmas tree on here. I'm thinking this one because, right? Oh my God. Stop. And then I want to put in here like a little suitcase on the seat and possibly like gifts in the back if I can fit them through here. I think I can. I think I can. I don't think those wheels come off. I think I could do it. I think I could either get them through the front windshield and into the back, because this goes way down there. Can you see? No, you can't. My whole hand isn't even visible. It's so deep. So it just looks kind of plain to me, and I really wanted to get it because I'm gonna have to charge a lot if I got it for $10.99. I'm gonna have to at least do 20 on it to feel good about selling it. So I'm gonna put a little effort into it, put some boxes, some wrapped packages in it, like somebody's going off to Christmas and they're bringing the tree. This tree though, the other thought I had, and the reason I'm bringing this up now is because I want your guys' comments. So a lot of times you guys will give me suggestions and the project's done. This is our opportunity to communicate ahead of the game. I was thinking of glittering this up like it had snow on it and doing branches of snow. It does have some glitter on the edges. You can see it was just a Dollar Tree one. You know them, you've seen them. But I'm thinking a heavy amount of snow. I'm going to wrap the base, and I could use the burlap, but then again, I do have some fun fabrics over here. Not this one, obviously, because the color is wrong, but I do have other, other fabrics. I have a lot of fabrics. I'm looking over here. There's a stash of fabrics over here, but I would like your opinion. I would love suggestions from you guys. And I don't know that I have one, but I'm thinking a little, if I can find a white wreath that I could maybe spray paint turquoise or something like that to put on the grill. You know how they put the grill? That's what I'm thinking. But I want to hear from you guys what you're thinking. So you guys are so creative. And sometimes I feel bad because you'll throw something in the comments after the project's done, and I'm like, dang it, that would have been so much better. So let's mind meld here. Let's do a brainstorm. What do you think? What are we doing with this? I want to make it Christmas and at least $20 worth of Christmas, right? So worth $20. Because as it is, this would have gone for $39.99. Would you have paid $39.99 for this? I don't think I would have. But hey, you do you. I'm guessing it's Hobby Lobby. And I'm guessing they do that because everything's always 40 to 60% off at Hobby Lobby. But let me know. This is going to be a group project. Now is your chance to tell me what you would do with this project. And we're going to take the best ideas. And I get to be the judge of that. No pressure on me. And we're going to figure out how to get this done, what we're going to do with this. So we'll see what happens with it. And I'm kind of excited. I can't wait to hear from you guys. I know there are so many creative people watching right now. You guys are the best. That's why I'm I'm going to get them involved. Because I get so many ideas that sometimes I can't function. And then sometimes I look at a piece and I go, I got nothing. This time I got suitcases and packages in the back and a different tree on top. That's what I came up with. And maybe a wreath. So let's hear from you guys what you think it should be done. And comment down below. That's all I'm going to do today. Sorry, I know I talked a lot about my pantry and stuff, but you guys, I'm so excited about it. It's so stupid. It's so stupid to be that excited, but I feel really peaceful because it's like, bring it on. Whatever's going to happen, bring it. We are ready. We're ready here in Minnesota. So I'm ready. I'm ready for winter. And everybody's like, did you lay in water? It's winter in Minnesota. If I'm stuck inside, I'm going outside to melt something. I will have water. I'm not worried about the water. So if I'm stuck inside in Minnesota in the winter, it's because there's a lot of white stuff out there I can't get through. And I'll be more than happy to scoop it up in a bucket and go melt the damn thing. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. Tell me what we're doing with this. I'm excited. Happy chunking. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.